Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your online store can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For an online store, lawsuits can arise from things like not disclosing an affiliate partner on your e-commerce website, contract law disputes, and trademark infringements. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your e-commerce store seem more credible. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Let's continue the video. Now, a common question arises: do I need an LLC for an online store? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. Let's discuss LLC benefits for an online store. By starting an LLC for your e-commerce store, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Online stores will benefit from liability protection because of the relatively high risk involved regarding potential intellectual property claims and product liability. For example, one of the products your e-commerce business shipped to a customer contained a large shard of glass that left a deep cut on their hand after they opened it. This led to the customer suing your business for the bodily harm they claim was caused due to its negligence. In the ensuing court case, your personal assets would be protected by limited liability from any requirement levied against your business to pay compensation. Another example: in order to launch the website for your online business, you take out a large loan. However, after your business fails to gain traction and make a significant profit, you begin to realize that you will not be able to repay this loan. This leads the creditor to sue your business for defaulting. Limited liability would ensure that any responsibility to pay damages is limited purely to the assets owned by your business. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. To maintain your LLC's limited liability protection, you must maintain your LLC's corporate veil. LLC tax benefits and options for an online store. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employee owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if an e-commerce store owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. Credibility and consumer trust. E-commerce stores rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Now, let's guide you how to form an LLC. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. You can hire a dependable LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Or, you can choose your state to start an LLC yourself. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Do LLCs need insurance? Of course, you will need to acquire insurance for your LLC to protect your business assets. This is important for online businesses, in particular, due to the value of their assets. In this way, the purpose of insurance is to protect a business's assets from its liabilities, whereas limited liability protects an owner's personal assets from the business's liabilities. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when starting an online store. The good thing about it is that it's typically more straightforward to form, maintain, and even dissolve compared to other entity types. Researching and understanding LLC's terms before committing to one is important, as several factors can influence an LLC's cost and functionality. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards, but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence.